Alright guys, Joshâ here, and if you're watching this video, then you have decided to watch the shorter, more concise, to the point demo video of Syndbuddy without seeing the actual case study, okay? So let me just go ahead and jump right into this. And Syndbuddy is actually our brand new platform that gets you free targeted traffic to any offer or service by letting our proven army of over 5,000 members do all your social syndication for you, so you can rank on page 1 of either Google, YouTube, both of them in 48 hours or less. Okay, so yes, I'm talking about totally hands-free rankings for any niche site or video or pretty much any URL. Okay, whether you're looking to rank an e-com store, whether you're looking to rank a local site, a local client, whatever it may be, you can use Syndbuddy to get some totally hands-free rankings. There's literally zero work on your part besides submitting the URL you want traffic for, and the Syndbuddy army gets to work for you right away. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a campaign submitted to the Syndbuddy army. And there's literally zero learning curve for you, since pretty much everything is going to be done for you once you submit your campaign. Okay, and honestly, it doesn't even matter if you suck at SEO, if you're new to the subject, or if you've used other tools and have failed, okay? Because literally Syndbuddy is unlike anything you've ever used before, anything you've ever seen before, and like I said, everything is done for you. Now, although Syndbuddy has been around for a little bit more than 2 years, as you can see here, our members have done over 2 million shares, so it's not a new platform per se, but we are releasing our 2.0 feature, which does our 2.0 version, which does have a lot of new features that we have implemented to make Syndbuddy even better. So you can see here our platform is proven. Our members are in here sharing each other's content, and you can see here on just a handful of my own personal campaigns, you can see here that 16 users have shared this campaign 150 times. Just today alone, this one user shared this campaign 36 different times. Here, 14 users shared this campaign 92 times. Today alone, 2 users have shared it 18 times. This one here, today alone, 1 user shared it 16 times. In total, so far, 13 users have shared it 86 times. This one here, 13 users have shared it over 111 times. Nothing so far today. Okay. There's one here, 14 users shared 107 times. 1 user today, 12 times. Look at this one here. 1 user has shared this campaign 40 different times, and in total so far 14 different users have shared it 140 times. Okay, so this is me without doing anything but submitting my campaign to Syndbuddy. So let me show you how simple that's going to be for you to do. And like I said, you can use this for anything. And when you look at the testimonials below this video, you'll see that users literally use this for everything. Some people use it for local. Some people actually use it to rank affiliate campaigns like I do. And one user actually has a very unique way of using it, where he used it to boost up his press releases. Okay, so that's another very cool, unique way that, a little bit outside of the box way to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and do demo. And your URL can literally be any niche site you want. Okay, and then we'll just assume that we're trying to rank for affiliate marketing. You can also obviously submit any YouTube URL you want. If you have an e-com site, okay, you can submit that as well. And you can do multiple sites as well. Usually I like to do everything separately. I'll do different niche sites separately, different video URLs separately, but you do have the option to just put multiple URLs in here, okay? Your different keywords that you want to rank for. This is literally the hardest part of your job when it comes to using Syndbuddy, is filling out these 6 boxes, okay? Choose your category. We'll do internet and telecom. The total limit, so let's say that you want to get a total of 500 shares from other members, and if you want to drip that out on a daily basis, then you can do 25 per day, or however many you want per day. This is important if you are using a brand new site, if you are submitting a brand new site, or you're submitting a client site, or whatever it may be. You may want to start on the lower end just to kind of increase things over time, okay? Just to have that little bit of a safe zone for yourself. Content generator. This is also new in 2.0, which makes it extremely easy for you to submit campaigns literally within 1-2 clicks. Okay, you can generate all the content that you need. And that's it. Okay, from this point I can literally click add, but I do want to show you one more thing. A new option that we have in 2.0 is the ability to get YouTube video embeds as well. So this is a video that is automatically pulled from the content generator based on the content category that we want. But if you have your own YouTube video that you want other members to embed for you, then you can put that option in here, okay? And also, if you have a SynLab account, or if you purchase our SynLab upgrade, then you can click on this option and it'll automatically send it to SynLab so that you can share this campaign on your own social platforms as well, and that allows you to get that 1-2 punch. Okay, so with SynLab you can submit your content on your own platforms, and then you bring in the Syndbuddy army and other members are sharing your content on their platforms. Okay, and from here all you literally have to do is click add, and that's it. That's how easy it is to come in here and get a new campaign added to Syndbuddy so that you can go out there and start getting real shares from real members like I just showed you here, okay? And you also have the option to view the full reporting of your syndications so that, you know, you can do further indexing, or you can provide reports to your clients, whatever it may be. We do have another upgrade that will allow us to do all your indexing for you. So there will be an additional option when submitting a campaign that will pretty much give us the permission to submit all of this to do further indexing, which does help with your campaigns even more. So that's it. That's how simple it is to use Syndbuddy. If you want to see the case study and just a little bit of a longer demo video, I do have that option on this page as well. But besides that, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to pick this up during the special offer that we have going on right now, because this is a limited time price. We have limited time bonuses, and this is just an overall great value that you're getting to go out there and really get some powerful rankings. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.